Birmingham roller pigeon. Made famous by William Pensum. And a lot of people like these birds because they seem to dance in the sky. Technically they're rolling backwards, somersaulting backwards. There's a very large amount of people in this hobby. The National Birmingham Roller Club, over 3,000 strong. Here in Hawaii we have several clubs. My birds are molting at the moment, but for video's sake, we have the yellow, and they're fighting. Joe Rowe, courtesy of Cass Kanashiro. We also have, this is like a yellow, Robert Perry's bird here. We have some birds out of Rodman Pasco line, some Jackanets, some Hendersons, Birmingham roller pigeons. Okay.